So today I'm at Tesco's and they've got lots of trolleys, lots of plants. So I'm going to show you what they've got in Tesco's here in June. So let me show you on the first trolley. So first of all, we've got these cordyline red stars, £10. They're looking really good. So next is these olive trees in a small pot. These are little dinky ones, £15. They're looking really cool. And on the bottom, we've got hostas, £4. They're looking good. Still got some bedding plants, petunias, geraniums, lobelias, French marigolds, geraniums, all at £4. On the top, it's a bit of a mixture, geraniums, petunias, £2.50. Again, more bedding plants, geraniums, lobelia, petunia, French marigolds. We've got these little flower troughs, £8. Just basically 2 petunias in a basket for £8. French marigolds. We've got the Fuchsia belgica, which is a climber, £8. And an olive tree, £15. Alliums, £8. I've not seen these before. They're just coming out in flower now. And we've got the standard rose pink, £12. Some more petunias here. They're looking really good. And the red one at the back. We've got yellow rose bush. I've not seen these in Tesco's yet. £10. And agapanthus. Look at those agapanthus. They're looking really cool. A random hanging basket. So no price on that. Next one along, we've got geraniums, £2.50. Quite a big pot. Got some randoms, more alliums, just petunia planters, some dahlias, £2.50. And lavender, £3.50. More bedding plants, petunia, verbena, petunias, and small pots, petunia, £2.50, 3 for £6, and more lavender. Geraniums need a good dead head, they'll be okay. And some dahlias. Here's a nice looking dahlia. Some nice colours. More bedding plants. French marigold, African marigold, £4. Fuchsia, petunia, more bedding plants. The geraniums, these look healthy. £3.50. They look really healthy. The fuchsias at the bottom, £4. African marigold. I bought these as normal marigolds and they took over the allotment. We've got some baskets down here, £15, and some small patio petunia planters, £6. More bedding plants. We've got some more olive plants. These are really cool. Must have to get one of these. Campanula, £3, and lavender in a big tub, £14. That's looking really good. More dahlias. Dahlias £2.50, 3 for £6. Along with fuchsia, £2.50, 3 for £6. Some nice colours. Petunia hanging basket, £6, or 2 for £10. Lots more bedding plants, verbena, petunia, £3.50. And this verbena here, looking really good, £4. Plant in full sun. Petunias, lobelia petunias. And this is my favourite at the moment, New Guinea impatiens. Look at that. Picked some of these up cheap, when they're dying, put them in water. Look at that, that's amazing. Love those, absolutely cool. And there's a whole more load up there. Some dahlias, $2.50. Need a deadhead, not too bad. Petunias. And these as well, look. This is another colour, New Guinea Impatiens. Look at that, that's a lovely colour. I've not seen that colour before. Some more dahlias, geraniums, petunias. Don't forget when you're deadheading petunias, you take off the head. And sunflowers. Sunflowers, 3 for $6 or $2.50. I've not seen the sunflowers in Tesco's before. Look at these fuchsias, $2.50. They're looking really good. Lovely colours. And more baskets, 2 for £10. Impatiens, petunias, more petunias. They're looking really good. So I really do like the look of these. These are really, really cool. So let me know in the comments if you've been to Tesco's and what have you bought. What would you choose from any of this? And check out this video here, how to grow your New Guinea Impatiens.